Here we goes. Fill range in Excel. How to do that? Today's topic, range के अंदर कैसे हम filling करें. Like in the given data, you can see Ramesh has sold piano, melodica, guitar and harmonica. But in front of melodica, there is no Ramesh name. In front of piano, there is no Prakash name. There is no Ravi name. These data are missing. To fill that directly with one command, we should go with this formula. Manually we can enter here, but if we are having huge data like 56,000, 50,000 data, in that case, just select the data where you want to fill the range and then shortcut F5 to go to and special and select all the blanks. You will notice this, all the blanks in the selected data has been selected. Now give equal to and then select the upper one B5 and then press enter. Not only enter, control plus enter. The range automatically get filled, entire column. So this is the quickest way to do this. Thanks for watching. I hope ये काफ़ी आपके लिए helpful रहेगा. Thanks. Goodbye.